Good morning, everyone. So I think we're officially day 3 today. We're gonna keep on moving. Let me show you what we got. I know it's a little dry just running cables and stuff, but we got a lot of cables to run. So we got everything in the firewall. So this is our power and ground for our lithium bank. We have some speaker wires that we got in from the door with some RGB. Let's take a look at the other side. We're gonna get all those run today and get them all prettied up and solid. I think we're gonna get Sheila moved today, so we got a little more space. We're kind of tucked in this corner right now, but we got some things moved around. So this is the other goodies we got here. So this is the other harnesses we have coming through the firewall here. This is we have power and ground for a lot of our accessories that are going in here that we're gonna run to, like fused distro panels and fuse panels. This is all the harnessing that we took out of the driver's door. This is going to be for all of our window switches and stuff like that that are getting relocated to the console. So we're going to go put that down there for now. We did get our speaker wires run through the door here and our motor wire for the power window and stuff. So got a bunch of that. We're going to get the alarm put back in here, try to get some of these harnesses situated, and hopefully have everything run to location here. So once we get there, I know DJ's wrapping some stuff up under the engine bay, but yeah, we get some cabling in here, we'll be doing real good. I think at that point we're gonna start working on our amp trays. So just getting all the cabling down there and stuff for them first, obviously, and then we can kind of go from there. But okay, enough bullshit, let's get running. Okay, believe it or not, this is still a fucking mess, but we can at least make some sense of it. We got some alarm wires we're about to connect. This is the rest of our alarm stuff. We got to set a couple relays in here for the alarm. We got power windows are being extended. We actually pulled them out of the harness. I think you guys saw some of that. This is all stuff the DJ ran in for us. We also moved a lot of these harnesses. We moved them into the kick panel. So we're gonna put some stuff in here so they don't buzz around and shit, but got those all out of the way. So a lot of this is just getting run down, and it's obviously dressed, but it's gonna go over to our center console. We have a ground distribution that we set up here. So right now we're just gonna work on getting the alarm connected, get some harnesses run, and then it's almost time to move Sheila into her final resting place. So the junkyard? No. No junkyard, DJ. All right, so super fast YouTube mode. checking in with you guys. We got Sheila relocated. So we got through, DJ got most of his cabling done under here. So shit looks really good. So this is kind of Grand Central Station for under the hood. This is all the fused, like the constant fused accessories. We've got fuses for the alternators. Got a fuel pump relay, which I don't even know how that thing worked before, but relays prepped for some of the lighting that we have going on. So he's still got to clean these up. We even put a ground stud in here, so now you can jump this thing off if necessary. Got a few more things to tie up under the hood here. Let's see. I still got quite a bit of stuff going on over here. I've been in alarm land. So we got, let's see, I don't know where my light went, but so we got the main harness tied back up again. This is all good. Still got some wires everywhere. This stuff here still looks like quite a bit of stuff. This is all going to our center console where all the window switches are getting relocated. So still got quite a bit to do under here, but we're gonna keep moving. So we definitely have some progress. All of our harnesses from the back here, I don't know if you guys can see these. So we got some of the harnesses from the B pillar and the ones from the very back. Got those all dressed and run up. So that's all good. We did get Sheila up on some blocks so we could get underneath it. There's a whole bunch of goodies under here. So the air ride, we got to go through the entire air ride train horn system on here, and DJ just got to see all the mess that he's diving into here, but
oh dude, I'm screwed.
There's quite a bit of goodies. So but
this is horrific.
Be nice, DJ.
Who does this shit?
So now we're gonna get I'm gonna get, man, I guess I'm going back to this alarm. So we're gonna go ahead and keep moving. We got loads of stuff to do. I also think Sage is gonna start working on the doors, if I'm not mistaken, either tonight or tomorrow. So we'll get you guys in there as soon as we can, but back to fast mode. Where you go? You give me a light?
Yep, I got the power cords.
Video a day, he says. Longest time lapse of my life today. Like, it'll be fun, he says. So I'm gonna go over this again because I think the battery died in the last one. But so we got all the cabling, or 90% of it set here. So all of our harnesses are to the middle here. You guys can't really tell in the video, but, or maybe you can, but it's a lot of shit. So all the harnesses are relocated. We're gonna put some more jute in the carpet tomorrow just to help with some of the padding and stuff so you don't see any of the cables. But so I still have some harnesses here. It's for a camera system that's on the truck. There's a 7-inch monitor up top that was in there prior that I guess does kind of some analog 360 cams, if you would. It's got 2 blind spot cams and a 5th wheel cam on the 3rd brake light. Got my impact sensor harness to tie up there. Got my brake harnesses tied up, or the brake harness. What the hell is that thing called? What is it? Oh yeah, the trailer brake piece. So got that thing all good. Getting loose, can't think. All right, let's see what DJ did before I died. Oh, All right, I'll show everybody what you got today. I was in there doing everything. DJ was lounging today.
Yeah, I didn't do it.
No, what we get good up here. So.
Oh, let's see, got all the headlights rewired, fog lights rewired, all the fusing is situated, relays are in. Yeah.
You're like almost
Trailer
done up here,
harness
huh?
is built. Yeah, almost. Trailer harness is built, grounds are built, brake boosters built. That whole harness is situated.
You built a brake booster from scratch?
Hell yeah.
You're a gangster, dude. Oh shit. So
Brake harness.
yeah.
There we go.
So there's a lot of stuff. We still got a couple little things over here, but so we have to replace some harnesses to the back, which is why he left these out. So the couple that I think we showed you in one of the first videos where they were burnt. So we're gonna rerun some of those once we get her up in the air. I mean, we kind of have it up right now, but went through, reharnessed all of this stuff. So it's got that exterior JK tapes on it, everything. Surprisingly, a lot of the lights didn't work until they were recabled. So cleaned up all the connections and stuff, got it all looking good. Found some halos in the headlights. Those were cool. So
I didn't even know we had those.
yeah, halos are functional. We had some fog lights that again, we had no idea were there, so got those functional. It's all LED bulbs in them and stuff. So other than that, it's been a super long day and my brain's not working.
Oh no,
So anything else we need to cover?
she runs on her own accord.
Yeah, that's pretty rad.
We got the fuel pump working, right?
Yeah, when Scott doesn't cut out the fuel pump harnesses, the truck starts. That's amazing. So, note to self. And we got messed up too. I'll tell you that whole story another time. But so it's got 2 tanks in it, and it still ran after I cut the harnessing out. So in my defense, I didn't even know. But
It sounds like it does now.
yeah, now she's running. It's good now. I'll tell you, it never sounded like that. You can't ground things through rubber bushings. But so it's all good though. So Sheila's getting purdy. So we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna wrap this up. It's been a long day, so I guess we're gonna go Groundhog's Day, get some sleep, and come back and do it again tomorrow. And you know what? We'll probably still be cabling.
All day, because I still haven't started under the truck yet.
Yeah, we got to get under the truck. We're gonna look at some of that. We got probably get the amps situated and stuff. We'll see about getting the cables into the amp trays where we're gonna house them, which should be interesting. But all in all,
We'll figure it out.
good day.
Absolutely.
Say night night YouTube.
Peace.
Oh, and IGTV. All right, hasta.
IGTV.